Hello friends, welcome to ASHUS Life Sciences. Opening shot of a double helix DNA structure. Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? The answer lies in your DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the genetic code that contains all the information needed to create and maintain living organisms. It's like a blueprint that determines everything from your eye color to your susceptibility to certain diseases. DNA is made up of building blocks called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. There are 4 different nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always pairs with guanine. These base pairs form the rungs of the DNA ladder. When a cell divides, it needs to make a copy of its DNA. This process is called DNA replication. The 2 strands of DNA unwind and separate, and new nucleotides are added to each strand to create 2 identical copies of the original DNA molecule. DNA contains the instructions for making proteins, which are essential for the structure and function of cells. The process of protein synthesis begins with the transcription of DNA into messenger RNA. The mRNA then travels from the nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm, where it serves as a template for the synthesis of proteins. DNA is remarkably stable, but sometimes errors can occur during DNA replication or protein synthesis. These errors, called mutations, can have harmful or beneficial effects on an organism. Mutations are also the basis for genetic variation, which is essential for evolution. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that your DNA contains the code that makes you who you are. It's a complex and fascinating molecule that holds the key to life itself.